how do you start a biotech company? Or like when do you start a biotech company? What are the key stages? What do they have to keep in mind? So like a quick toolkit, what would you say?
So I think it always starts with like in the biotech field, it always starts with great science, I would say. So that's typically the start, and you should make sure that the science is is solid and the results are reliable, because that's not always a given. So I think that's where it all starts.
Right.
Science is one thing, great science, but of course, I think in the next step, you should really make sure that the science you're looking at is solving a real problem. So that's the making the fit of the technology you're looking at with the real unmet need out there. And often science is on such a deep level that you can use the science in quite some different application fields, I would say, or even sometimes industries. You can solve different problems, and you should make sure that you find these problems and find the right or the biggest unmet need where you see the biggest potential your technology or solution has. So I think that's something you should start with, but at the end you need to have and at the end, especially in the biotech field, you cannot win alone, I think. So you always need a great team. You need to have the right network. We talked about it. You need to have the right mentors. You need to have and I think you need to have a whole bunch of very different people and expertises around you. So as we just talked about it, you need to have the scientific expertise. You probably need to have, like lawyers, IP lawyers. You need regulatory experts. You need commercial experts. You need to have people who know the business, like a little bit. And I think if you have them around you, you do not have to have them in your team, but if you can soak up knowledge from them and they say, hey, I want to support you, I think that's super powerful. I think these are prerequisites.